These Jordans went down in price pretty fast. But why? This is your last chance to get a pair of Travis Scott Black Phantoms for completely free. All you guys need to do to enter this free sneaker giveaway is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the Moore family, leave a comment down below, let me know your size in the Black Phantoms, and then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you gotta take a picture, a screenshot, do what you gotta do to send me that DM on Instagram that you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be picking the winner for these on March 2nd in just a few days, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. This is your last chance to win a free pair of Black Phantoms in your size. And the next giveaway is gonna be the White Cement 3s. So make sure you guys subscribe for free sneaker giveaways. Sneakerheads, Sole Premise makes backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags to store your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. I have 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers inside of this backpack. Sole Premise also makes a smaller backpack that holds 1 to 2 pairs. You also have room for your clothes, your laptop, your chargers, and a bunch more. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise. Use my promo code Danny Moore at checkout. My name, Danny Moore, at checkout will give you 40% off your entire order from the best sneaker bags on earth. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. Be sure you guys check out the best sneaker bags on earth. These have dropped quickly in price. When they first released during the shock drop, resale was around $300, which is normal for this retro model. It's normal for that price for them to be around $300 after a shock drop. Retail is $225, so it makes sense. And then in December, during the holidays, it totally makes sense for them to be around that $280 to $300 price point, depending on size. Right after the holidays, even during the holidays, they were not touching anywhere above like $300, $320, $330, nothing like that. And then they quickly down. As the weeks have gone on, this sneaker has just tanked in price. Certain sizes are retail or under on apps, which is crazy to see for this model. This model is hyped usually. This used to be the go-to model. Everyone used to look forward so much to this release, and I think people still do look forward to this release, but not as much as they used to, especially on a new colorway. To me, this colorway is clean, it's something nice, but it's not an OG, it's not a must-have, and it reminds me of a few other Jordans just like this that eventually wind up creeping up in price, but right off the jump weren't crazy anything too hype or even hard to get. So right here, we gotta take a look at this box. We do have a different Jordan box. This box holds a bunch of different retros. Right here we do have a size 10. I did hit these on a restock. This pair I will be letting go for retail plus shipping, so if you're interested, shoot me a DM on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. You can copy these from me for retail plus shipping. Right here we have the receipt, and we have the tissue paper. So this is a very clean pair of sneakers that resale has just dropped. As time's gone on the past few months, they just have slowly declined. I should say kind of fast, to be honest with you. It wasn't even slow. They just decline in price, and that's it. Will they ever go back up? I don't know. Maybe down the line, but right here we have the Air Jordan 11 Cherry. The Jordan 11, people used to love so much. The hype for the Jordan 11 has, in my opinion, dwindled down a little bit. Now, don't get me wrong, they do sell out. There is hype for them. Of course, they don't sit too hard anymore, but they're sitting more now than pretty much ever before, which is crazy to see. These were not tough to really get your hands on compared to Concords, compared to Cool Grays even, you know? So this was an easier release. It's a very clean, wearable sneaker. I will tell you guys right now, that bottom is blue, icy. It's gonna get disgusting yellow as you wear them. So make sure you guys cop Drip Grip sole protectors, the best sole protector on the market. Link down below in the description, and use my code Danny10 for 10% off your entire order. Now these Cherry 11s, man, you can't go wrong with the white, the red. They do remind me so much of, I believe it's the Winlike 96 Jordan 11s. They have the Winlike 82, Winlike 96. It reminds me of those type of Jordan 11s, where it's not an OG colorway, it's a new colorway, a completely new colorway, and it's nice, it's wearable, but it's not really a must-have for most people, or some people, I should say, at the end of the day. A lot of people like them, a lot of people don't. My personal opinion, I think it's clean, it's wearable, it's better than the other two Jordan 11s I just named, but it's still not a must-have. I think that's just the best way to put it for me personally. It's a nice Jordan 11, but it's not a must-have. The Jordan 11s that we are getting this year, I am mind-blown. I'm so happy when that news came out that we are getting the DMPs. Those are a must. These are not the DMPs. I can't wait for the DMPs. So any new Jordan 11 model, it's going to be tough for me to really get on board with. I like my OGs. I like the classics. I like the older retros brought back when it comes to this model for me personally. And I think a lot of people kind of feel the same way. The Jordan 11 Cherry, though, has significantly dropped in price. You know, $300, they're down to retail or under, depending on the size. Some sizes, I know size like 11.5, 12, it's still nearly $300, but that's because the bigger sizes tend to usually be more money on the Jordan 11s. They seem, you know, more demand, harder to get, that sort of thing when it comes to the Jordan 11 and bigger sizes. But for most sizes, for most people, yeah, no, they're basically retail. Some sizes are even less. And there's been a bunch of restocks. I hit on these on a restock. So if you guys need, you know, to cop, you know, sneakers on restocks, make sure you guys follow me, first of all, on Twitter, DannyMoore2369, and then follow the right accounts over on Twitter. Dre23 app, download that app. Sneaker, Twitter, there's a bunch of Twitter accounts. Soul Links, there's a bunch of accounts for restocks. So make sure you guys get on Twitter for your sneaker releases. But yeah, absolutely have tanked, and they tanked hard, they tanked quick. Will they go up? Potentially down the line, years down the line. It's not a hold. It's more of a personal pair, and that's it. Move on to the next release. This right here, the Jordan 11 Cherry. Guys, you should have sold them during the holidays. That was the time, because it's the Jordan 11. The Air Jordan 11 Cherry has really dropped in price fast. Next giveaway shoe, the white cement 3s. Make sure you guys like this video and make sure you guys subscribe for free sneaker giveaways. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.